Alright, this is the Astrodome.
The hedgehog.
And the flimsy.
Alright, here we go. We launch on the T of 3, okay?
Wait, that's
Like
right.
1, 2, 3. Okay, ready?
Wait, do we let go of it or hold it?
Yeah, you let go. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, take your car. We'll go again. 1, 2.
I broke it on the slide.
Alright, switch positions.
I broke it on the slide.
Alright, race it like that. That works. Rotate to the right, Emery.
Wait, how did this go together?
No reconnecting. I'm sorry, Adam. You can choose. You can take it apart or leave it, and you can take it apart. Save your best play. Your best part.
This part off.
All right.
Can I take it apart and then hook it back
Yeah.
together there?
Yeah. Can you read?
Hey, my bending parts are working pretty well, Jared. Boing, boing, boing.
Oh, mine doesn't destroy itself on this too.
Damn.
It's
You
like
ready?
an airplane.
Yeah.
It's like a wheelbarrow.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Those wheels are kind of
Okay. Okay, here we go.
Okay, that's better.
1, 2, 3.
Hey.